Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha and I hope you all are keeping safe and having a good time with your family. Welcome back to another episode where I will be taking up the questions and doubts about the twin flame journey. Let's get started and pick up today's request. Our requester wants to know, how do we handle rejection in twin flames? Rejection, an uneasy and discomforting feeling that could create a lot of negativities in your mind. Rejection could be an interview or a job rejection, or it could be a failure in any of your relationships. A lot of people take rejections as failures and consider them as the end of their life. Coming out of these rejections might take them years, as it has broken their self-confidence in many ways. In twin flames, the impact multiplies even more as they get rejections from their dearest ever person and hit them hard to their core. Rejection is not easy to handle with any human being and may transform their lives in the greatest ways. Among twin flames, rejection happens repeatedly, and with time over your journey, you may learn this fact. Rejection is not a real rejection, even though how real it appears to be. It would be a time or space that either of the counterparts require to handle the intense love and care they feel for each other, and hence they sometimes run away from you. This happens with both the counterparts at different time frames, so the rejection feels even worse. It takes years to comprehend that this rejection is going to help you both and would evolve you over your journey. The real purpose of the twin flame is to bring all their inner issues to the surface one by one and heal them completely. And rejecting or creating distances every time from each other will help solve their real purpose. All you must do is to find out the actual cause of the rejection you have felt from your counterpart and work on it. While you are feeling rejected, you need to figure out where exactly you are rejecting yourself, as you both reflect each other and you always mirror each other. Once you understand this simple concept, you would never feel rejected by them. Twin flame love is so much intense that it feels too good to be true to the twin flamers and can create negative thoughts or doubts in your mind and will further cause issues on your journey. It needs a lot of years of practice to grasp this simple fact that you both love each other the same way and can never be separated from each other. Folks who are new to their twin flame journey can practice mirror exercises that could help you clear your vision and bring back your lost confidence. You can get numerous videos on mirror exercises from Ascension coaches, as they had been proven to work steadily on many twin flamers. Practicing meditation and prayers would be a cherry on the top of the cake. So keep doing your inner work along with your meditation practices, and you would see yourself at a place where you deserve to be. With this, I would like to wrap up today's episode. Hope you have resonated with my views. Please comment about your twin flame experiences. In case you have any questions, or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment or you may write to me at emotionsrandevoo@gmail.com, and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you so much for listening. Signing off for now. Please do like and subscribe my channel and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Take care and see you in my next episode.